Thank you friends for visiting my channel Infoanil. I'm Anil. I'm a software engineer in a big IT company. I'm here on YouTube to share my experience and my knowledge with you guys that will help you in your career and in your job. So the content that you can expect from this channel is related to the programming languages on Python, Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and much more. And along with that, I will also share the content which are related to the jobs and career. That includes career guidance, new job notifications, internship opportunities, interview preparations, and much more. And I hope this channel will going to help you in your career, in your job, and will also enhance your skills. So I just want you to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the important notifications earliest. So thank you for watching this video.